I'm Craig Rice. I'm the District Sales Manager for Abercor Binzel in the Southwest in Colorado. I've been with Binzel since March of 2017. I like working in the welding and metalworking industry because it's a diverse industry. One of the things that most people don't realize is that 80% of the gross national product is actually welded. So there's a lot of different aspects of this business that people just don't realize. My favorite part about the job is the fact that I get to see many aspects of this business. I go to different customers on a regular basis, so it's never boring. I can go from a shipyard to a jeweler. My goal when meeting with customers is to bring them the highest quality product that will not only save them time, but is ergonomically effective and actually helps their employees become more productive. In my opinion, Binzel makes the best product on the market. It's always been a standard. In the 40 years I've been in this business, the people always talk about Binzel being the elite standard of this industry. When you contact me, my goal has always been to take care of my customers and respond as quickly as possible. I've been in this business for many, many years and have worked in all aspects of this industry, and I have a pretty good understanding of how to find things or who to call to ask.